The Iraqi Airways logo is one of the most iconic and most prevalent logos that represent Iraq. Iraqi Airways was founded in 1945 as part of the Department of Iraqi State Railways and continued to be known as Iraqi Airways up until the present day, despite its many starts and stops throughout the years. Icon represents a bird, and some sources even say that it represents the mythical creature of a phoenix that represents rebirth and renewal, which I personally think represents Iraq in this last 100 years. What I love the most about this iconic logo is the typography. Both the English and the Arabic are custom made to be paired with each other, and it pulls from the Kufic font, which is made in Kufa, Iraq. It represents balance, reliability, and harmony, which is great for an airline. The deep green is representative of where we are at in the Fertile Crescent. It also symbolizes prosperity and growth. For these reasons, I love this logo, and it's one of the most iconic logos, in my opinion, of Iraq.